In this video, let's understand the selection better. What is selection similar to? Selection is similar to wanting to make a choice. So for example, do you want to add sugar or not to the tea? Now you have to select between one of the two choices, add sugar or not to add sugar. This is what we call selection. Now let's talk about the nested iteration for selection pseudocode. So the intertwined and the repeated if and else in the coding. Okay, first we write program and then we write the name of the function, bigger of 3. Remember, we said we should name the function in a meaningful way, so it should show us what the program is about. Here we are making a program that will show us which letter has the highest value. So we will ask the program to read the 3 inputs from the user. Read A, read B, and read C. Now we have the first condition, if A is greater than B. Then if, as you can see, we have another condition. We do not have an output yet because we have to select one letter out of the 3. Okay, let's continue. Then if A is greater than C, so here we have two conditions. A has to be greater than B and C, then print A. That means A will be on the screen because it is the largest value out of the 3. So if A is greater than B, it will go to the first if condition. And if A is greater than C, it will go to the second if condition and apply it. Then print A on screen. Now let's continue. Else print C. How do we get this? First, it will check if A is greater than B. If it is, then it will go to the second if A is greater than C. If A is not greater than C, else print C. That means A is greater than B, but it's not greater than C. C is greater than A, so it will print C. Okay, we are not done yet. We have to end if. So here we ended the if that is in green. Okay, now let's continue. Else if B is greater than C, then print B. However, if B is not greater than C, it will go to else print C. Why? Because C is greater than B. Okay, now we write end if, so we close the if in green. Then we will put end if for the yellow, and then we will put end. So here we studied the two cases and we were able to deduce the largest number and show it on the screen. Now we have finished selection and nested iteration.